In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a questionnaire to your Wix online program website. To get started, open your site editor in Wix. Once you are inside the editor, look over to the left side menu and click on Add Apps. This is where you can expand your site's features and connect tools that work with your online content. In the search bar, type Wix Online Programs, then select it and click Add to Site. If you haven't installed it yet, this step is essential because it gives you access to the program features you will need in order to build learning content, including quizzes and questionnaires. After the app has been added, go to your Wix site dashboard. The dashboard is where you'll manage the actual content and settings for your program more efficiently than in the editor itself. In the left-hand menu, click on Online Programs. This will open the area where all your existing programs are listed and managed. Next, select the program you want to modify. Make sure you choose the correct course or program, especially if you have more than one. Once you are inside that program, scroll down until you see either the Content section, if you are working with a self-paced course, or the Schedule section, if your program follows a scheduled format. Wix organizes these slightly differently depending on the type of program you created. So don't worry if the layout isn't exactly the same on every site. When you find the right section, click Add or Add Step. Then choose Quiz. Even if you are creating something more like a questionnaire or survey, this is the option Wix uses to let you add interactive questions directly into your program flow. This makes it useful for collecting feedback, checking understanding, or guiding participants through a learning experience. Now enter a name for your survey or questionnaire. Then click Add Questions. At this point, you'll be able to choose the format for each question. Depending on what kind of responses you want, you can use short or long answer fields, multiple choice, or a drop-down format. It's a good idea to match the question type to the kind of information you want from participants, so the experience feels clear and easy to complete. Once everything looks good, save your changes and publish your program. Publishing is important because without it, your questionnaire may not be visible to your site visitors or enrolled members. And that's it. Thanks for watching.